Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to calculate temperature in Fahrenheit. To convert a temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit, you'll use a straightforward formula. This process is essential for understanding weather reports, cooking instructions, or scientific data in regions that primarily use the Fahrenheit scale. It involves two simple arithmetic operations, making it easy to master with a little practice. Let's dive into the first step of this conversion. The first step in converting Celsius to Fahrenheit is to multiply your Celsius temperature by a specific factor. You'll take your Celsius value and multiply it by 9/5, or 1.8. For example, if you have 0 degrees Celsius, multiplying by 1.8 gives you 0. If you have 10 degrees Celsius, multiplying by 1.8 yields 18. This initial multiplication sets the stage for the final calculation. Once you've completed the multiplication, the next and final step is to add 32 to that result. This number, 32, is crucial because it accounts for the difference in the freezing points of the two temperature scales. For instance, if your previous calculation resulted in 18, adding 32 gives you 50 degrees Fahrenheit. This simple addition provides your final temperature in Fahrenheit. So, to summarize, the complete formula for converting Celsius to Fahrenheit is Fahrenheit equals Celsius multiplied by 9/5, then add 32. Always remember to perform the multiplication step first, before adding 32, to ensure accuracy. This two-step process is reliable and will help you quickly convert any Celsius temperature into its Fahrenheit equivalent, making temperature readings universally understandable. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.